Hey guys, super exciting day today. I get to put together my Lebert Equalizer bars. Now, I ordered these back in the beginning of April, I think it's April 1st or 2nd, and I just received them today and it's May, I think 14th. But keep in mind this is pandemic times, so shipping sometimes takes longer. These did because they're exercise equipment and that's just been taking a long time to ship, but it's fine. But they're here. I'm very excited. I actually ordered the regular Lebert bars, not these ones. These are the XL ones, which are 3 inches taller. So it's good for people like 6 foot and above. I'm not, but they'll still work well for me. But on a bonus note for my brother, who is over 6 feet, they'll be very good for him as well. So, yeah, let's see what's in here. Not really sure where my knife is, so I'm just puncturing this tape with a screwdriver. Ooh, so exciting! I'm actually surprised by how thin the box was. I thought there would be more to it than this, but let's see what we got here. I have to stand up for this. There's the feet. Appears to be all attached. Just don't want anything to fall in. Awesome. So everything is well wrapped and bubble wrapped, as you can see. Well, it looks like it comes with let's see what this is. I'm not even sure. Looks like an not instructions, but a workout. Oh, just a thing to go online to get instruction or to get more workouts. And some sort of a belt or strap or something. And it looks like, you know, just like any IKEA thing or anything you put together, it's an Allen wrench with some other stuff. So let's get rid of that. And this is the instructions, how to put it together. There is only 4 steps, so that's good. Alright, so let's start getting this unwrapped here. Guess I just gotta bust into it. It's like a butt. And I need to grab some scissors. I'll be right back. Alright, so I managed to find some scissors. Let's get to it. So while I'm unpacking this, I'll just give you a reason why I ordered the Lebert bars. Well, I have seen them on many a YouTube channel. I'm really interested in calisthenics. I do it, but not very well. I want to get better. And honestly, my main purpose is to be able to do pull-ups, because doing some exercises with these can help strengthen your back muscles for pull-ups and things like that. And also, we just got a rope to climb in our yard, because, you know, this is like, we're kind of making our own gym around here, since we don't even go to the gym anyways, but since summer's coming, we're just getting some outdoor stuff set up, and these are a great addition, and they can go inside easy enough, and they fold into each other. But anyways, I want to be able to climb a rope. I have never been able to climb a rope. Gym class in high school or public elementary school, any of that? Nope, never been able to climb a rope, but I want to climb a rope, and I've been working at it with the rope that we have. And I can't climb it yet, but hopefully I will after I build up some back muscles, because they're apparently non-existent for me. So yeah, that's the main reason, and it just looked like a lot of fun. They'll add some versatility to a workout routine, right? So I've been working out more than I normally do during this pandemic time, because we're home all the time, and sometimes you're bored, and I just head outside and try to climb the rope, or I even got some battle ropes, or one battle rope, you know, that I use that I've loved so far. I'll do a video on those some other time, but yeah, just variety is the spice of life, right? So that's what we're doing here. Well, how are you today? Enjoying this video so far? I hope so. It's probably pretty boring, but I thought it might be interesting. And you can laugh at how I open things up and put them together. Why not, right? Just going to do a little cleanup here, and we'll be ready to put it together. Clean up and then throw everything under there. Alright, so I think we're ready to put it together. So you get my stuff on here, my trusty Allen wrench. So all it is, this is all there is. 4 feet, you know, 1 for each side of your bar, and some screws and little washer thingies and screws, and that's it. That probably wasn't in focus, but I apologize. I'm not very great with the camera angles and whatnot. So the part list, I'll just read it, is U-bar, 2 pieces, that's these things, and 4 feet, 8 bolts, and 8 washers, and a trusty old Allen key. Alright, step 1, safely remove plastic ties and bubble wrap. Done and done. Remove the bolts and lock washer from the plastic bag. Done. Step 2, slide the feet into the openings of the U-bar. Stand the Lebert Equalizer upright. Line up the holes on the feet with the holes on the U-bar. Place the lock washer D onto the bolt C. Insert the bolt C into the hole on the U-bar. Hand tighten each bolt with lock washer D until snug into the hole. Alright, so let's start by doing step 2A. which is slide the feet into the opening of the U-bar. They look pretty slick too. I like it. Black. Classic black. My holes are lined up. We're good to go. Place the lock washer onto the bolt. Done. And place the lock washer onto the bolt. Insert the bolt and hand tighten each bolt. Ah. So I'm just hand tightening them. Don't have to pull out the wrench yet. Alright. Aren't you guys glad you clicked on this video? I know, it is thrilling. Hand tightening is harder than it seems. Apparently. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, seriously. Alright, I don't think this one is quite lined up properly. So let's... Seriously, it's getting kind of irritating now. I don't know why I can't screw a screw into a hole. What's the matter with me? It's like really not that complicated. Ah! Got one. Yes! Holy. That's what happens when you think something's going to be so easy. There, you just have to be aligned properly, folks. That's all. Not rocket science. So let's do the second one. Let's move this one off to the side. Let's hope I have better luck with this one. That it won't take me an eternity to screw a nut or to screw a bolt into a hole. Thing is, they feel like they're screwing in, but then they just stop, so I know it's not threaded properly. Seriously, for something that only is supposed to take, or that looks like it only takes about 2 minutes to do, I certainly am having my share of problems. Okay, that's screwed in properly. A little trick that I kind of found is to just raise it up slightly when you're putting it in, when you're screwing it in. Because if you let the U-bar sit flat, like right up against the foot, totally, it kind of hides a bit of the hole and it's tricky to screw in the screws. So just lift it up slightly when you're screwing it in and you should have better luck. The hole, all of the hole will be available to you there. You'll be able to see the whole hole and get the nut screwed into it. Or not the nut, the screw screwed into it. Just turning it slightly, turning the foot slightly, and raising it up. It looks like the full hole is exposed. Whole light. Come on, Lebert. Or is it just me? I don't know. Ah! Success. Whew, I like sweating from this. Should not be a sweat-inducing activity. Yet, just putting it together. Save that for the workout, but... There. Feels like I got it. So yeah, just lift it up. Lift this up a little bit to get the hole open and just turn the leg, or turn the foot slightly to get more of the hole exposed. So hopefully you can expose the whole thing and not have this ridiculousness that I just had putting it together, okay? Alright, so the next step is stand the Lebert Equalizer on an even surface. Ensure that the 2 feet are in vertical and parallel position. Tighten the lower bolt with the Allen key, then tighten the higher bolt with the Allen key. If an adjustment is required, loosen the bolts and rotate the feet. Then retighten in the order indicated above. Alright. So, tighten the lower bolts. Can do that. And they're tightening well, so, well, this one is. So that's good. And do this one. Drop your Allen key and keep on trucking. Alright, so that's this one. Now I'm going to tighten the top bolts on this one bar. And if you hear kids in the background, yep, that's my kids. They're on the trampoline, which is just outside here. And since I'm in a trailer right now, the walls are very thin, so you can hear everything from outside. So that's them having fun on the trampoline. So nothing wrong with that. Alright, woohoo! Got this one put together. Really doesn't take much if you know how to screw in a screw into a hole, but apparently that is sometimes difficult. Alright, so let's move on to this one. The lower one first. Oh my gosh. Well, they screwed in really well once you got them threaded correctly, so that's a bonus. Alright, that's it! Woohoo! They are assembled. So, these are the Lebert XL equalizer bars, and I'm super excited to get to try them, and yeah. Hope you liked my unboxing and putting together of these. It was more trouble than I thought it was going to be, but all in all it was pretty easy. Just thread some screws into a hole and call it a day. So yeah, here they are. Woo! I can't wait to use these.